Happy Noma and welcome to our reaction to David Meese, and we are going to react to the song We Are the Reason.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all our viewers, subscribers, patrons, families, friends, everyone joining us from around the world, more than 200 countries now, and 33,000 plus subscribers, millions of views in the last 3 years on this platform. We couldn't be more grateful to YouTube and to each and every one of you who has made it possible for us to keep on making honest, sincere, unscripted, spontaneous, pure, raw and impromptu reactions every single time, every single reaction video. Unless we've heard the song, we usually mention it right up if we remember it, and if we don't, then we remember as soon as the song is done. We don't pause our songs. We don't pause our reaction videos. And it's thanks to all of you that this has been possible. If you didn't support us, because on this platform, no one else does it the way we do it. So if you didn't support reactors like us, first of all, we are from a different part of the world from most of these artists requested, including this one, I'm assuming, David Meese. I think it's the first time we're ever listening to him. It's a request by a patron named David. So yeah, I thank you for your support. We obviously don't like everything we hear because we are honest. When you go by a script and when you are fake and when you're dishonest as a reactor, obviously you like everything or you dislike the right things. For us, it's every single song is a new song. It's a new day. It's a new video. And we take it that way, and thank God for that. Thank God for you supporting people like us who still do it the old-fashioned way. Honestly, sincerely, openly, unscripted, spontaneous, pure, raw, impromptu. Anyway, enough of that. Hope you're having a great time wherever you're joining us from. Let's get started. We Are the Reason, David Meese. I don't think this is a typical Christmas song.
Okay.
I think it's, I've not heard it. That's why I'm saying ever, this title, being a Christian. So I'm assuming it's a spiritual song,
yeah.
Gospel song.
Okay.
Let's get started and find out.
Let's listen to it, yeah.
As little children, we would dream of Christmas morn and all the gifts and toys we knew we'd find. But we never realized a baby born one blessed night gave us the greatest gift of our lives. We were the reason that he gave his life. We were the reason that he suffered and died. To a world that was lost, he gave all he could give to show us a reason to live. As the years went by, we learned more about gifts, the giving of ourselves, and what that means. On a dark and cloudy day, a man hung crying in the rain because of love, because of love. Lost, he gave all he could give to show us a reason.
Wow.
This is a special Christmas, and this is a special song, and this is a special artist. Though I must confess, after it started, I have heard this song before, but probably not by this artist.
Not by David Meese.
I have heard this song. I think in church when I was younger, years ago. But I have heard this. It's a hymn, I believe, not even a song or a carol.
Okay.
Yeah. What are your thoughts, Kirti?
Wow, I like the way it was sung. I definitely like this song. I like the depth of it. This is the intensity that we both have been discussing this entire festive season through these reactions, that often we all forget why the traditions, the way they happen, what is the reason behind it, that the way we do things, we do it. What is the real gift? We are all too worried about the gifts that we give to each other, and we become big in that I'm gifting someone, or I'm making somebody else happy and this and that. But the reason for all of this that gets organized, and that entire event, why do we celebrate it? There is a reason behind it. It's not the Santa Claus. Please don't make him the hero here. It is the very special person, Jesus Christ, and who was born and who also suffered and died, as the song says, because of the people, just to show how powerful love can be, and how selflessness can give the world so much inspiration.
And this is a very special Christmas also, because I think this is the first time our Lord Jesus Christ will be coming into our homes and into our lives, and He will find all of us have been waiting for Him more than ever before. Because most of us are going to be at home this Christmas. Most of us, apart from those who are on the front lines, whether the delivery guys, security guys, distribution network people, the internet people who are managing our networks and have to be at work making sure it's always up. And of course, the doctors, the nurses, the hospital staff, clinic staff, nursing home staff, elderly home staff, and so on, who are constantly working around the clock almost. Yeah, this is a special Christmas because Jesus Christ is going to be really surprised that all of us are going to be welcoming Him more than ever before. And this has been a special year because I've heard so many stories of people who have come back to God this year.
Yeah.
Because of the pandemic mainly, because of the way life has gone for them. A lot of people who turned away or did not believe as much are starting to believe again, are believing again. And the difference can be seen. When you give, you actually get back so much more. And I'm not just talking about, as a counselor, as a teacher, or financially. In general, when you give, whether it's wisdom, whether it's knowledge, your education, whether you teach, whether you're actually giving, your time, the biggest commodity, the most priceless commodity of all. If you're giving your time, like many people I know are, this is the real spirit of Christmas. This is why He sacrificed Himself on the cross, so that all of us could be saved and all of us could give. Give our time, give love, care. And thank you for giving your time to us. We are quite different from every single other reactor on YouTube. And there are thousands of them right now and have been in the last 3 years. Some of them have passed away, some of them have disappeared, some of them, the channels have been taken off. So but we are quite unique because we give unscripted reviews. Everything that we just said is all unscripted. It's not scripted like them. It's single take, pure, raw, spontaneous, impromptu. And it's quite difficult for most of you to understand that and to support two people like us. So from the bottom of our hearts and the bottom of my heart especially, thank you for the incredible support and inspiration you have been to both of us with these incredible requests of music, from this to all the 5,500 plus songs we have heard along the way. Thank you for making our Christmas, our lives so special. You will always be remembered, even though we don't know many of you personally. especially our patrons who've been with us even at a very tough time and understood that we are here to give honest reviews. Thank you for being there. We're here to give honest reviews. We are doing a job and we do it to the best of our abilities. It may not be what you like all the time, but we are not going to change. Even as counselors, even as teachers, we follow the same principles. So we are not going to change for this platform. It's okay if we don't do as well as some people think we should do. That's all right. Anyway, the celebrations are on. Firecrackers bursting. Anything for the end?
I like his voice. I definitely like the way it was sung. I like the voice of David Means. Yeah.
Uno, dos.
Yo estoy viendo aquí los productos y de repente suena el celular.